Just checking into the Dusit Thani Hua Hin, and they have some nice welcome drinks for us. And check out these really nice Christmas trees right up here at the front desk.
Hi guys, this is Sky and Ann from Together Somewhere.
Today we drove 2.5 hours south from Bangkok to Hua Hin, Thailand to spend the week here, enjoying Hua Hin's beauty and also looking at real estate properties for sale here.
We just arrived at one of our favorite Thai hotel, the Dusit Thani.
You may remember that last April we stayed at another beautiful Dusit Thani resort in Phuket.
Let's get started.
We just arrived in Hua Hin and we are staying at the beautiful Dusit Thani resort here. Ann and I are up on the 5th floor and we're going to show you our room. Actually, Ann's going to show you our room. You're going to love this.
Please come on in. Welcome to our room. So when you walk into the room, it looks nice and clean. So you have a bathroom in your left hand side, a big shower, rain shower, and a nice sink.
I love the sink. I
a
love the sink.
bathtub.
Yeah, I like the woodwork. Look at that woodwork. So nice.
So then you have a big mirror here, which is nice. I love that. And
Who's
then
that guy?
You have mini bar here. So what do they have here?
Anything up there?
Nope.
No?
But here you have water. You know how much they give us water? Six bottles.
6 bottles of water.
4 here and 2 in there.
Nice.
And he just told me, if you need more water, just call us. We bring more water for you.
Okay.
It includes the coffee and tea.
And what do they have in the refrigerator?
So here.
It's supposedly everything in here is free. Okay, so more water, and we got a Coke in there.
And then soda and then coconut juice.
Okay, it's a nice little gift.
And oh, you have glass here.
Okay.
And then for your ice. Okay. But this is nice. Look
Yeah.
at this teapot.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
I love the decor in here. It's all, I like the white finish on the closets and everything. Very nice. The white woodwork.
Here for your luggage.
Okay.
And this is the closet. Let's see the closet. Oh, nice.
Yeah, very nice closets.
And then you have umbrella for you.
Hopefully it won't rain. It's not rainy
In
season.
Thailand, we use umbrella for sun, not for rain.
Right. I forget why you use umbrellas. It's time for the bed test, don't you think? Or later?
Let's see this.
Okay, we'll see everything else first.
Yes. So
Big-
you have big screen of TV, and here this is nice.
They gave us 2 apples.
Yeah. Very
Okay.
nice.
Yeah. I love this. I love the furniture in here. It's very, very nice. It looks almost brand new.
Yeah,
And-
take a good care, keep updated.
And the drawings on the wall, very nice. I love the coloring in here, and the lamps and everything. Let's see.
You want to come to-
Yes, let's check out the porch. A must. Wow! 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 Look at that.
Look at that
This place
view.
is amazing. Look how big that is. Wow! Look at that pool.
It's beautiful.
It's absolutely beautiful and huge, and it goes all the way out to the ocean. They have their own private beach. And look at that pond area over there. And they got a little beach area out there. They're just amazing grounds, really, just amazing.
Why nobody is swimming?
I don't know, maybe we're gonna have to be the first. Looks like a lot of people are shooting pictures down there. It really is just a breathtaking view. Okay, so we'll be looking around the grounds soon, but first we have to unpack.
Wait.
Oh yeah, the bed. You gotta do the bed test.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
What would you give it? What score?
10.
10. All right. Can't beat that.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice room.
Pillow soft.
And how much are we paying for this room?
Oh, we're gonna tell you in the end. Not yet.
Okay, but it's a pretty good deal, right?
Yes.
Okay.
These are the pictures from visit for the royal family on the wall. Have king and queen. Look at this
Old phone.
phone, yeah.
Got one on each side. I think they still work. They're called house phones. I think they still work.
Oh yes, they still work. Can't believe it. Can I try it?
Try it.
It's working.
I know. We walked in this very nice entrance, and this is the entrance to all the auditoriums for big business meetings. Very, very nice. And but it looks like it's not open yet. And one of the auditoriums they've turned into a temporary fitness room, which we're going to see. Let's go. And here's the business center, which is open from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. And they have 3 computers in here to use. In private rooms, very nice. You are the Dusit Gourmet. So this is the tropical garden pool, which is right off the lobby and off the breakfast room, which is right over there. Little waterfalls here. So we're walking out now towards the ocean, and we're walking past the tropical garden pool now. Oh, look at those fish. Man, those things are huge. Can you see them? I hope you can. Some of the biggest goldfish I've ever seen.
I like the color. So
Yeah.
great.
And right here is the pool they're working on. I think this part of the pool opens up I think tomorrow. They're working on it. Beautiful pool, big pool. And I think the pool that's operational is the one out here.
So let's go to check it out.
Okay. So behind us you can see this huge lagoon area that goes all the way from the hotel all the way out almost to the beach. And look at that, I guess that's a Christmas tree they've kind of built out there, made of these big bulbs that I think have lights inside. And you can walk out on the dock, and here's the beach area. And over here is the pool, and I think this part of the pool is open, and they're working on this part, and it goes all the way out to the beach. People are out there having a good time. We're going to be out there tomorrow morning ourselves.
Have you seen bigger kids swimming pool? It's right here. So huge.
Wow. Very cool for kids. And for us adults, right? Look at this beautiful beach. And you look down there, it's kind of hazy with all the salt water in the air. You can see Hua Hin, some of the bigger hotels and condos down there. But this is all Hua Hin Beach. We're in the north end of Hua Hin now. And just beautiful ocean view. And it looks like some people are already out there enjoying it. I know we'll be out there tomorrow morning. It's already late afternoon here, and we're just getting settled in. But tomorrow we'll be out in the ocean. You like it, Ron?
Yep.
Very pretty. And here's the hotel from the beach. Very nice, peaceful setting. Very beautiful hotel. We stayed at the Dusit Thani. What was it? Last April? Last April we stayed at the Dusit Thani down in Phuket, right? Yeah. And it's similar. The Dusit Thani is just a real class act. I would stay at any of their hotels anytime. They're just really beautifully built with nice wood, nice art, nice everything.
Yeah, they become one of our favorite hotels.
Yeah, it's definitely one of our favorite hotels. And the people behind the front desk, just, you know, top quality. Everything here is top quality. It's really the best of Thailand here. Wouldn't you agree?
Dusit Thani, yes.
Dusit Thani. We've been to the Phuket and now the Hua Hin hotel.
Dusit Thani, we love you.
Now it's the next morning, and as we walked into the breakfast dining hall, we were impressed by the quality and selection of the various dishes. Let's take a look. Anyways, because this is an SHA hotel, you have to wear gloves to even touch the...
Can touch anything.
Anything, yeah, anything. You can't even open the thing for rice unless you put on your gloves and wash your hands beforehand. First we have chicken sausages, and then we have ham, and above us we have bacon and boiled eggs, and here we have pork sausage and soup, and we have omelets being made in the back, and here we have french fries and cooked tomatoes and fried ginger fish, and here we have a pancake and waffle station. And here we have steamed and fried rice. No need to pick them up. And next is zucchini and eggs. And here we have pork curry and dumplings. And we have Thai breakfasts. First one is khao tom and the second one's joke. And on the other side we have miso soup. And here's the dry cereals and fruit and yogurts. And we have sushi here, and then more fruit. And here we have some cheeses and deli meats, ham and chicken, and a salad bar, and of course drinks. So I would say this is quite a buffet. I give this a 10 out of 10. Let's eat.
I feel full. Just watch all this food. Already full.
We just finished breakfast buffet and a little full. We have finished our first day here in Hua Hin. It's just been beautiful. The first day has been so busy. At this hotel, we actually didn't even get a chance to go swimming because we have appointments all day today. But this hotel has been fantastic. We've really enjoyed it here. It's a beautiful place. It really is a beautiful place. And we're sitting here at the beach, and there's pools between us and the hotel. There's two magnificent pools that we showed you earlier. And but today we're going to be looking at some real estate, and then we're going to be here. We're going to be in another hotel tonight that we're going to show you tonight, and just having a great time here at the hotel.
So if you like this video,
Don't forget to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe if you're new for this channel. And we will see you again together somewhere in the next one.
Okay, bye-bye.